Oh, hello craft heads! How are we doing today? Danny Crafts here, and welcome to another episode of teaching you to make things that you'll probably never use. Picture this. You've just dropped a massive mother load and it's gonna stink up the entire house. Or, picture this. Severe night sweats. Now, I've got something for you today that's gonna change your life.
That's a stinky poo-poo. Ugh, this bed is soaking wet.
Let's just dive on into today's tutorial. All you're gonna need is an empty all-purpose spray bottle. I found this, you can find one in your house. I bought mine at Jisk. Yeah. To start off really quickly, you're just gonna take your talcum powder or baby powder here. There have been some studies that come out that have proven that talcum powder does cause cancer, but we're gonna be using cornstarch baby powder. So much better for you, and plus we're not putting it on our skin, we're just breathing it in. I can't get the lid off, so we just eyeballed it. And you're just gonna fill the rest with water. Can't really see how much I'm putting in. And the way you wanna fill it is think of it like a cup of coffee. Leave some room for milk. And the milk in this scenario is actually lavender. That does not taste good. Oh, I actually used almost all of it. I've actually never done this before. You're gonna wanna shake that up once you have your essential oil, your water, and your cornstarch baby powder. I'm really scared to test this, but we're just gonna go for it. Wow. Feel like I'm in oh my god. Woo! Feel like I'm in a yoga class. That is beautiful. Wow, that just woke me right up. So you're going to want to dry your bottle. Once that's nice and dry, you're ready to label it. Now, I printed off a couple labels from work. Am I allowed to say that? So I printed a couple of labels off at an undisclosed location. Jake, leave it. Oh, and that says Danny's Poo-Poo spray, which, you know, it's kind of childish. And then I got Danny's bathroom spray, but you don't need to just use this in the bathroom. You can use this in your bedroom, in the bathroom, all over the place, really. So then I just came up with a nice classic Danny Crafts label with my name there and my logo. So you're just gonna peel that off the back there, if you don't know how stickers work. I really like what I did with the label here. Before it was a little sterile looking, and now, wow, and there you have it. A DIY Lavender Mist spray inspired by the Skip the Dishes commercial featuring John Hamm.
Maybe a little lavender mist.
Definitely something to remember, I'd say. Put that in your pocket and save it for later. Please make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time. Now, have a great day, everybody.